Ngizongibiza bamfundisi ngenxa yokuthi ngithanda itiya. Hey guys, welcome to a new week. So last week when I went to the mall to get a few things, I Mr. Price home to check curtains because I want curtains. Namanja my curtains. So just to check the prices and everything, guys. Curtains are so expensive. So my mom was like, girl, how can you buy curtains? So she's like, girl, I'm coming. She's on her way to take the measurement and we go buy material. So I'm gonna get free curtains. The only thing I'll have to buy is the material. So yeah, I'm so excited, so happy, so grateful for my mom, you know.
Umuntu onama problems njengawe so.
Like, you see, I'm gonna boss and a pull pushing. So, and I was exceptional.
I think happy was really for engaged. Hunger Games, baby. Dating in the past is crazy, okay?
Guys, ngikuphi ngihambisa imoto yami car wash yabuya inuka ikhabishi elihlangene nebhutsi nje kuyiwishi. I went to a car wash ngacela ukuthi bangwashele imoto yami, bawasha ama seats and everything, uyabo. I find sharp ngishiye vele ngishiye the whole day ihleli kubo. Bahlulwa nje into esimple ukuwasha imoto mangaba ngeke bakhone basho, but into engixakayo laphaya kwinto yabo laphaya kwibhena yabo babhalile ukuthi they do wash imoto ngaphakathi. I don't know what do they call it, is it a valet or something? Yes, that's what they do. I left my car, I gave them the whole day. Mangibuya imoto yami ngilanda ama-seat amanzi. Okay, fine, ngibuye nayo the following day ngiyibuyisele ngithi bhekani la imoto yami ama-seat wami amanzi angeke ngikhone, ngicela nomisa ama-seat emoto yami. Fine, bayibeke laphaya. Angazi ukuthi bayomise kanjani ama-seats, but abuye ama-seats awomile, but bewangawomanga like completely, but bewawomile, but mawupressa so you can feel ukuthi asesemanzi. And then ngingene, and then ngiyithathe ngingene ngiyipake ngivula ilalivulwa amafestele because I'm thinking ukuthi obviously izofuna ukuthi amafestele ahlala avuliwe so that kuzongena umoya azowoma ama-seats. Fine. So Sunday mangivula imoto yami inuka iboots nekhabishi elibolile. Guys, I went to church inuka injalo ne, but bekungathi angifike esontweni noma ngibuya bekungathi angifiki la endlini. It was nje yo. And then I went to TikTok, I looked ukuthi ubani ongangilungisela lento. I came across these guys. Igama lekhawash labo ngikhohle it's what and shine ton nizoyibona nje. So that's what we are doing today. Sisotha nje leyo nto out nje. Hey, Nkosi yami, imoto yami nje mayengabuyela the way bengakhona ngabe ngiyiyekile azange ngiwashi. Into engenza ukuthi ngifuna ukuyiwasha i-interior, it's because ngiyibonile uma ngi-editha i-vlog yami le engiyikhiphile last ukuthi noma imoto yami i-ceiling yakhona ingcolile and it doesn't look nice on vlogs. I was like, you know what, let me take my car to a car wash bayiwash i-interior. Kanti ngiyazilaya. We are going to Vakasha at home. But first I'm going to pass by the mall to get a few things for my family. Yes, now I'll be joining her shortly. I'm here to do my hair and my makeup. I'm going to be shooting a campaign. I'm not going to show you the part where I shoot the campaign, but the whole process of her doing my hair and makeup, I am going to show you guys. I like these. Ooh. So guys, the China Mall, they didn't allow me to vlog. They said I'm not allowed to take videos as usual. Even the last time when I was there, I was told that I'm not allowed to take videos, of which I don't understand why. But yeah, right now we are at Macro to get a microwave. I just want something small because my kitchen is very small. Something small and black. Anything that is small and black, I'm going for it. Welcome to a new day. Today I am just here to show you what I got yesterday from town. So let's do that. China Mall guys is the plug. This one will be the last to be unboxed. Let's start with this. So I got this egg storage box, guys. It is so unique. It looks like this. It looks like this, like job like tubing. And the salanga parati fridge. I love it. Let me show it to you. Oh, look at this. I think it does this, but now for the amakanda and then go new weight. Obviously it's gonna sit in nicely like this. I've never seen this before. I have never, and I am so happy. Oh, I love it, guys. Yo, I love it so much. Woo. I got this grater as well. So cute. And I got these two as well. This is a peeler and this is a can opener. I got this drawer organizer. Is it a drawer organizer, babe? I think so. I got this cute chopping board. I didn't want the wooden one because the wooden one is everywhere. I just wanted something different. So I saw this one. I was like, girl, I love you. This thing is the money you keep it in money for less things shop. And the total, it was okay. I'm gonna tell you the total when I'm done showing you everything. Then I also got these cute glasses as Pumanama straws. I love them. Wait. Okay, this Zoliswa corner, this 16 kpd one is all gonna get. Okay, this is how the class looks. And then it's Lalo. This Zoliswa corner, and then the Pumanama drawer is cute. and then Z4 itoza khona, and then ufumana lento Z2 zoklina ama straws. So this is it, guys. And then I also got this silicone kitchen set. It comes in 12 pieces. It's 12 pieces, yeah, well, and then come on. Come now. It's off. It comes with this. Let me take it off the plastic. And there. Let's do this. When I saw this, I was like, girl. If I'm able to find the barcodes and all of that, of these things, I am going to write the prices down for you guys. This is it. I love it. The aesthetic I'm going for in my kitchen is gray, black, and blue. Blue will be like just touches here and there, but black and black is black and gray, I don't even know what I'm saying, but yeah, I got this set. My favorites, this knife set, guys. When I saw it, I was like, there's no way. I'm even messy blue, and this will be feeling apart. Imagine when I have like a blue smack kettle and a blue blender, a blue smack blender, a blue smack toaster. It'll just go in so well with this. Love it. So this is the set. I don't know if I should like assemble it for you. So this is the set of knives, and then it stands on it's transparent. You just put it like this, and that's the stand, and then they say so obviously this thing I'm gonna take it out, but for now I'm just showing you. I love it. When I saw it, I was like, I'm taking this. I also got this paper towel holder. This is the guys, this mug, yo, and the Vexeli one bengfuna is set bengfuna at least away four ngatoga ukuthi kusele A1 la amanye amakhala khona pink, and I didn't want to pink, I just wanted blue. Look at this cup, guys. Look at this mug. It's a mug, yeah. Look at this mug, and it comes with this teaspoon. Okay, let me just take it out so that you can see. Oh my goodness, I loved that. When I saw this, I was like, oh my goodness, I'm sold. I am taking this. Yo, I should not think, oh man, this is this spoon. Plus, then tandid tea again, me again, I'll pose it tea, I'm salna, the tea. I'll pose my mamma's business, mum fundis, and I would tandid tea. I've also got two of this double wall glass. It's a double wall glass. Let me take out one so that you guys can see. Ciao. Look at this. Look at this. The day I buy a coffee maker, it content is a kumala paya kulea coffee maker. So got this two fridge organizers. It's just two right here. Yeah, it's these two. And I got more fridge organizers. Is these four? I think there are four. Yeah, Zinevalo to like that is coffee, but that is coffee. It is the fridge. Let me show you. Is my fruits or whatever. So I also got these baskets for putting like Yeah, especially lapaya. Look at how cute these are. Look at this color. The thing even in money, you're saying smeg, it's blue. You're saying also got this cute bamboo laundry basket. It's a laundry basket, guys. It is so cute. It matches with my wardrobe. Yeah. It's so engine. Let me put it on for you so that you can see it. This is it. This is how it looks inside, and it's about the corner. Now see. So, hey, Mikey. Yeah, hey, because I'm eating and washing. Okay, let's bring in one. It's hotel yakone. It's at 2,667 rand. Imagine, just imagine. So this is the slip. This is the slip, you guys. Agnoma customs, agnani. So I'm plugging you guys. You tell yes, yeah, South Africa, yeah, or she in South Africa. They have a lot of beautiful things there. I also went to Macro to get a microwave, as I have said. I need to pay this night to microwave, and we got the microwave. So yes, I also bought an air fryer. I'm not happy with the color of the air fryer. I wanted a black one. Okay, Lomutu Beyansis recommended this brand. Ute is strong and using so well. So I believed her. It looked small, but lana inkulu and nginayo lento lokuthi into eshop ngiyibone ngathi incane bese mase ifike endlini inkulu. But yeah guys, this is my air fryer. I love it. I'm happy. Yaras. That's one thing I can say. Yaras. But yeah, I'm just testing it out to see now, but I'm just wanna see how it works, and yeah. Before I remove the sticker list, so that's why I'm testing it now. I wanna see before I remove the stickers. So this is what she's oh yeah, it's actually warm, so good, it does work. I'm going to see you on the next coming vlog. What is that? Hey, I'm gonna see you guys. Hey, extending being me like balcony. So I wasn't looking. My baby Sandra so brilliant. Began to go angazi ukuthi yini, but it's a fly. Young Luma. Young Luma. Isanda sambe shisa sonke yo. But anyways, I'm fine now. And yeah, that's why I'm big. Okay guys, I'm gonna see you on the next coming video. I love you all. Stay blessed.